Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 18 of CMA intercontract costing. Okay, please read the questions here. This is a very easy question. Look at it. Illustration number 18. A company of builders has took to a multi-storage structure of rupees 40 lakh, estimating the cost to be 36 lakh 80,000. At the end of the year, the company had received rupees 14 lakh 40,000, this being the 90% of the work satisfied. This is a cash received. This is the amount of cash received. Cash received. This is a contract price. This is the estimated cost. Estimated cost. 90% of the work satisfied. Work done but not satisfied 40,000. Following expenditure are incurred. Material 4 lakhs, labor 10 lakh, plant 80,000. Material costing 20,000 are damaged. This is the abnormal loss. Abnormal loss. Plant is considering the having the depreciation 25%. 25%. Repair. Prepare the contract account and show the possible figures that can be reasonably to created profit and loss account. It means reasonable that can be all the possible figures. It means at the last four types of way, four way, the profit transfer to profit and loss accounts. First, here contract price is given and estimated cost is given. Then estimated profit can be calculated here. Look at here in working note first. Working note first. Calculation of estimated profit. Estimated profit equal to cost of contract minus estimated cost. Your value of contract can be right here. Value of contract, that is rupees 40 lakh. Estimated cost is rupees 36 lakh 80,000. This is rupees 3 lakh 20,000. Working note second. Calculation of work certified. Work certified. Look at here. Look at here. Work certified. In this case, look at 14 lakh 40,000 is cash received, which is 90% of work certified. Okay, 90% of work certified equal to 14 lakh 40,000. 14 lakh 40,000 work certified. 14 lakh cash received. Cash received. This is 14 lakh 40,000. Work certified equal to 14 lakh 40,000 divided by 90%. 14 lakh 40,000 divide 0.9, 16 lakh. This is 16 lakh. Okay. Thereafter you can make the contract account. Contract account. This is debit side. This is credit side. particulars rupees. Okay. To material rupees 4 lakh. To labor 10 lakh. To depreciation 25% of 80,000. This is 20,000. This is total 14 lakh 20,000. By costing profit and loss account, 20,000. This is a loss of material. In this question it is given material. Material costing rupees 20,000 damaged. Okay, this by costing cost of contract to date carry down. This is the 14 lakh. This is total 14 lakh 20,000. 14 lakh 20,000 by notional profit. Contract to date brought down. This is 14 lakh. Work in progress, work certified 16 lakh. Work uncertified 40,000. Total this is 16 lakh 40,000 by notional profit. Two lakh 40,000. This is your 16 lakh 40,000. But in the given questions, profit transfer to profit and loss account, we have to calculate by all alternatives. There are 4 alternatives. By that I am going to calculate profit transfer to profit and loss accounts. Profit transfer to profit and loss account. Calculation of profit transfer to profit and loss account. Okay, look at it. Calculation of profit transferred to profit and loss account. In this case, method 1 is applied. Method 1. Method 1. This is your estimated profit. Estimated profit into work satisfied divided by contract price. We have already calculated estimated profit here 3,20,000. This is your estimated profit 3,20,000. Work satisfied is 16 lakh. Contract price is of 40 lakh. This is rupees 1,28,000. 1,28,000. Method second. Estimated profit into work certified divided by contract price. Contract price. Cash received, work satisfied. Cash received, work satisfied. This is your 3,20,000. Work satisfied is 16 lakh. Contract price is 40 lakh. Cash received 90% of work satisfied. This is rupees 1,15,000. 1,15,000. Okay. Now method 3. Method 3. Method 3. Estimated profit into cost of contract to date divided by total estimated cost. Total estimated cost, please, rupees 3,20,000. Cost of the contract to date. Cost of the contract to date. This is a 14 lakh. 14 lakh. Estimated cost. Estimated cost is given in the questions. This is your estimated cost. 36,80,000. This year given is 36,80,000 estimated cost. 36,80,000. This is rupees 1,21,739. Now method 4. Method 4. Estimated profit into cost of the contract to date. Cost of contract to date whole divided by total estimated cost. Total estimated cost into cash received, work satisfied. 3,20,000. This is the 14 lakh. 36,80,000. 90% of the work satisfied is received. That is 90%. 90%. This is rupees 1,09,000. 1,09,565. In this way, we have calculated all possible profit transfer to profit and loss accounts. Okay, beta? Okay, thank you class. Please like, subscribe and share my videos.